Hello, hello. Welcome. Don't worry, we're not playing on Pilgrim. We are going to be playing on not Voyager, not Stalker, Interloper. For expert players looking for the ultimate wilderness survival challenge. Once my phone just come up, probably with me streaming. You start with the most minimal resources and have to craft everything you need to survive. The world becomes more hostile the longer you survive. Allows 2 feats. So I have done this, I played a little bit of this yesterday, and it's really not gone well. It really hasn't. It's extremely hard to survive the first day. But, once we get past that, we do be living life. Right, so we're going to call this human versus nature. It's in the difficulty description, and I really like the way that sounds. So, human versus nature. Extraordinary people survive under the most terrible circumstances, and they become more extraordinary because of it. Amen, Robert. Amen. So, this is actually the place I spawned last time, where I had the best run, which was a day long, by the way. My longest time surviving in Interloper is a day. And it's probably going to stay that way, considering that fucking wolf is blocking my shit. That wasn't a wolf back there, okay. Let's get some stones, the only thing to protect us from wolves right now. And God forbid they actually try and fucking fight us. Let's check out this lighthouse. After this lighthouse, I'm gonna head that way, because there is like a warehouse industrial bit. And basically what we're doing is we're looking for matches as soon as possible. Really, we should be running, I think. Because if we want any of these things, any of our cores to go red, we want it to be food. Because food kills us 1% per in-game hour. Whereas coldness, which is the worst one, kills you 20% per in-game hour. Which gets fucking doubled to 40 if you get hypothermia. So it's really important not to be cold. Which is the main challenge of this game. So on this we spawn with absolutely nothing, I think. So we have... yeah, look at our clothes. We have a t-shirt and jeans. Socks and shoes. That is it. And for like... yeah. As you can see... well... that's literally it. We have a piece of wood. That I'm pretty sure... did I get given that? Or did I find that? I think I just got given that. Got given that can. I picked up that stone. We're still freezing to death in here, which is not good at all, so we need to keep moving. Emergency stim. Not what I need, but thank you. To be fair, I don't usually get lucky in that lighthouse. I get lucky over there, though. I found matches there twice. Let's pick this shit up, quick. This game is certainly like a vibe, but it doesn't mean that it's cozy, because this game is hard as fuck. Especially on like on harder difficulties. Every time you're outside, you're gonna be like, fuck, I need to know what I'm doing right now, because every second I'm outside is dangerous. This thing happened literally the exact same spot. This moose, I thought he would run away. He doesn't run away. He gets really angry if you go near him. So I'm going to do what I didn't do the last time and go around him. He broke my ribs last time I saw him. I do not need that again. This car there. Let's check this car. Moose, if you come down to... he's actually angry at me as well. I can hear him angry at me. Question, did you... which way did you go? Sound like... you went that way. You dickhead! It's safe now. It's supposed to be territorial blood. I ain't fucking went near him. Where is he? He got back up there. I'm gonna die from a fucking moose. I don't know if they chase you forever, you know. He chased me the first time. I mean, I met him up there, then I ran down, then I went around, and he chased me that entire way. So I would not be surprised if he comes up behind me right now. We're just gonna run. Hoping that he's not followed. He doesn't. I would have seen him by now, right? He would have been. Yeah, we're good. He would have caught up to us pretty quick. He's a fast boy. Let's get up here. Okay. Okay. We're in here now. I have found matches in here before, but here's another thing that also makes this mode very hard. It's very hard to see inside of buildings when it's nighttime. And when I say very hard, I mean impossible. Let's take that whetstone. Fuck it. So if you haven't found any sort of light source by a certain time, like nighttime, in your first day, you might as well just reset. Because you'll freeze to death in a building that you can't fucking find anything in, so... And you'll freeze to death faster if you go outside, so... God damn it. Let's have a look at this. It would be very nice if we could find any sort of matches. That's the one thing we need right now. It's the one thing that decides whether we live or die on this first day. So we need to find it. Ah, oh, man. Alright, come on, please. Yes! Right in the same place I found it last time. Yes. That's so big. Alright, so we have matches. So now we can leave the area if we need to. Because we need to go through a cave, a mine to leave the area. Which is pitch black. So we have to use at least, I think the last time I used about 6 matches. So it'll take about 6 matches to get through that mine, as long as nothing goes wrong. Which is a big ask, considering our life depends on matches. So we have 12. Oh, that's not good. We don't really want to use 6 matches in a mine. Don't want to use half of our matches. Hopefully we find some more. We are freezing to death. We need to make a fire, like now as well. There's nothing in here that makes a fire. The only place I can think of right now is the fucking... Damn it! The only place I can think of that has a fireplace is the lighthouse, which is all the way back that way, and we're not done looting this place yet. So we're really risking... Ha! Hypothermia risk is very high. Okay, we cannot get hypothermia. We have to leave, I think. Should we check out this ship? I feel like I might die, but I feel like I should check out the ship. Might have a fire in it. Can we go in here? Cool, I guess. Well, it's kind of dark in here though. Forge. Forge temperature required. Shit. Well, we can make a fire at least. That's cool. You are joking, right? We don't have any sticks? Okay. Take it. Let's go. Waiting for that water might have... Yeah, I'm sure I'll be alright. No, it looks foggy as fuck. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Now, can I figure out how to get to Coastal Highway with nothing but just remembering? Hmm. And horrible ass. What is that? It's a waterfall, isn't it? Why is it on top of the... Hmm. Don't you be fucking angry at me again, Moose. Swear to God. Dichiado, get out of here, man. Let's check out the fucking church, I guess. Also, should we go to... I feel like we should go to Mystery Lake instead of Coastal Highway now. I went to Coastal Highway the last time I did this, and it didn't really work out as well as I wanted it to. It got me killed in the end. So... I'll try and go to Mystery Lake, I guess. Mystery Lake's pretty easy. Bunnies! One rock. Come here, cunt. Woohoo! Dinner.
This stuff will come in handy.
Antibiotics. Don't mind if I do. Sure as shit can't craft those, so... Or I don't know how to. Fuck, I was wondering what that was. Damn, man. No fucking loot. I feel like I'm colder now. I feel like I've frosted up. What's the temperature like? -10, but that's... It's because I'm in wind chill right now, right? Well, I've got a wind protection. Yeah, it's 13.
I can't feel my feet.
Don't worry, love. We'll get you out of this horrible place soon. This game can be so pretty when the game well, isn't like foggy or snow blizzardy and shit. Like if you can survive the horrible weathers, like if you can make it to the day after, you'll be like blessed with the most beautiful skybox. Just somehow the skybox just makes it worth it. It's pretty impressive. Alright, we're going for abandoned mine. This will take, well, the last one took 6. We don't know how much this will take. If we run out of matches before we get to the end here, we quit. By the way, so let's fucking hope we make it,
The
eh?
guy who drank his own pee doesn't seem so crazy right now.
We're going this way. Hopefully it wasn't a waste. Down. Oh! That was very down. Oh shit. Now we're blind. I don't think I can run. I think if I run it gets rid of the oh, thank you. We shouldn't be looting while doing this. This is really bad. We need to prioritize getting out. Saying that, this loot. Fire, that was like a fire starter, I swear. It looked like a bit of flint or something to start a fire with. That looked like a little bit of extra loot, that little gap there, but we're not here for loot, we're here for getting to the next area. We have 8 fucking matches left. Oh my god. Quick! Get out of here. Where am I? Shit. Shit. We're in the same fucking place. Wow!
God, freezing.
Has this led me to like the very left side of the map? I'm so desperate to find out that I'm actually just gonna... I don't know if that's worth finding out. Ugh. Like, surveying the area will take about like 10-20 minutes of in-game time, which will certainly fuck me up a little bit. This is this place I was at before, right? Where are you guys going? Hmm. Jerry can.
Will be useful.
It's a bit annoying I can't get through here. Shit. How do I get through here if you're not going to let me through that way? Why are you doing that? Can I like cheat? Wait, can I do this?
Just wanna lay down.
Fuck's up with that moon? That's one big fucking crater. God damn. What's the coldness? 15 still, that's not actually that bad. Looks very pretty. Very pretty. Is it a geomagnetic night? So, yeah, it is. Why don't I need these lights on then? Oh shit! Lighthouse is going crazy! Oh shit! That's cool as hell. Didn't know it changed colours like that. Let's go to it. Make a fire there. Let's get running, I think. Ah! Don't you dare. I've got a fucking... Huh! Cool. Cool.